At LJ, we make your problems go away.
Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today's topic deals with getting a divorce when you do not know where your spouse is at. The first thing I want you to know is that not knowing where your spouse is at will only make you serving your divorce papers a little bit more difficult than it would normally be, but it will not stop you from getting a divorce, okay? The first thing that you would need to do if you do not know where your spouse is, but you want to start the process of a divorce, is to do and conduct your own due diligence. For example, you will need to try to make attempts to find out where your spouse is at. You can begin doing this by checking with places such as your spouse's former employer, maybe neighbors, friends, or family members of your spouse. You can also go to the county recorder's office and see if you can find and locate your spouse that way. Maybe the voter registration polls. The post office is sometimes helpful, and utility companies and phone companies as well. You can check with all those places first. That will be your due diligence in an effort for you personally to attempt to try to locate your spouse. If after doing all of that you're still unable to find your spouse, then what you're going to do is you're going to need to serve your complaint and your summons for divorce through publication. What this means is that you will need to file an affidavit with the court to request a divorce by publication. Your affidavit will include a notarized statement that you fill out and you sign, letting the court know that you have not seen or heard from your spouse for a specific period of time. Usually 6 months or longer is the time frame. And that aside from not seeing or hearing from him or her, you do not know the location of your spouse. You must then publish your summons and your complaint in a newspaper for a period of 4 weeks, one time a week. After you have done that and your spouse fails to answer within 20 days after you have published, then the court will grant you a divorce as an uncontested divorce because your spouse failed to answer. I hope that this has been helpful. If you have a situation similar to this and would like some more information, please do not hesitate to contact me at vegasdivorcemeeting.com, and I will be more than happy to sit down with you and explain the situation further to you in the hopes to help you in your particular situation. And as always, I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.
At LJ, we make your problems go away.